Hi all. I didn't know about this speaker until about 24 hours ago, and now here it is. We're going to do an unboxing video of the brand new Electro-Voice Everse 8. This is the first battery powered speaker from Electro-Voice. So let's have a look. It's available in both black and white. This one's black, and I'm happy about that because I would destroy a white anything that I had to bring out to an event. This wouldn't last very long. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing here. The SPL on this, I looked up on the specs, is 121 decibels. This is what I'm thinking would be a good use for a speaker like this. Wedding ceremonies, cocktail, things like that. I use battery powered speakers. But this is a new option, and it's got some interesting features on it that I haven't seen on any other battery powered speaker. If I've actually cut enough. Look at that. This package really nice. I mean, it's packaged well. How's that sound? Alright, so on top here, of course, there's an owner's manual. And lots of packaging. I'm sure I'm not throwing anything on the floor here. Alright, now here is the speaker itself. I don't know which is the top and which is the bottom, although I believe this is the top. Power cable, just an IEC cable looks like. This weighs 16 pounds. My cat weighs more than 16 pounds. There it is. And I don't see anything else in the box. Get rid of that. Alright. I know it's painful to watch me unbox stuff with like 1 1/3 hand, I guess. But it is what it is, folks. Alright, Chico, don't eat that. The dog loves to eat packaging materials, so I may need to run some interference here in a minute. I'm ripping this to get it off. It's just easier. Here it is. It's my first good look at it. Got a carrying handle on top. Panels back here with a protective cover over it. And I believe, if I look on the bottom, yes, there's a pull. And it looks like thumb screws to take the battery out. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the camera so we can get a better look at this thing. Now, I did have a look at the manual last night online, a PDF of it. And you can set the speaker down a couple different ways. One way is to tilt it up like this. You can also use it like as a stage monitor. You put it on its side like this. There might be another way, but those are the two that stuck out in my mind. I thought that was kind of neat, you know, for a monitor or something. So anyway, let's look at this back panel here. See how this works. And I'm just kind of guessing my way through this. I have no idea how to remove this. There's probably a really cool way. Let me come around the other side. See if I can figure it out. But the good news is that it is on here securely, but I have no idea. There we go. Let's give it a good pull, I guess. Okay, yeah, this gasket here kind of goes into a channel around this area to keep it weather tight. So that's how that apparently works. And here we have the Quick Smart DSP menu, along with all kinds of cool adjustments you can do within the speaker itself. The Quick Smart app is real neat. That is something where you can add several different effects, reverb, delay, all kinds of stuff. So if you wanted to add effects to a microphone, you could internally with this. So you can run essentially two microphones, or looks like a foot switch here. There's a mix out to go to another speaker. This is a USB charging port, and I wasn't sure what this was, but it looks like a USB-C to me. I've got a USB-C cable right here. Hold on a second. Let's see if that is indeed what it is. Yeah, it's USB-C. So it's for the new phones. You'd probably have to get an adapter for some of your older tablets or whatever that you could charge off of this unit. But down here, this is what I thought was really neat. There's actually a port to plug in a DC wireless microphone of your choice. That's pretty slick. I also saw on the website that there's an optional tray that goes on top of the speaker with a strap on it that you can put a microphone on. So you can have this like on a tripod and have the mic mounted, the mic receiver mounted on top, the wireless mic receiver, and powered right here. So yeah, we're going to have to dig into this further. We're going to have to charge it up, plug it in, test it out, and I'll do all that stuff. But I just wanted to do a real quick unboxing to show you that it was here. I'm excited to play around with it. I told Blanca about this last night. I'm like, you're totally not going to care, but I got another speaker coming. It's a battery-powered speaker. Her ears perked up. She's excited about this. She wants to use it outside for when we have company or when she's doing yard work or whatever. It's a lot easier. It's going to be a lot easier for her to use something like this than it's going to be for her to use an array where she has to set things up. It's a one-piece thing, relatively lightweight, Bluetooth, all kinds of neat stuff. We will get into more of that in future videos, but it's just a quick unboxing. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. I'll get more up real soon. Practice and enjoy.